Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Stevie Wanders, and Stevie is wandering off to new adventures today. It is August 1st, 2019, and it is moving day. I'm a little bit late, so I'm gonna have to cut this little introduction short, but I'm just letting you know that Stevie J is moving. Stevie Wanders is moving. Stevie Wanders is moving. Where's he going? Where in the world is Stevie Wanders? Hey. Marely, dile hola a mi vlog. Hola. Say hola, Annie. Hola, Raquel. Raquel. Estefanía, dile hola de nuevo. Hi. Everybody say hey. Is anybody opposed to being on a vlog? Oh, I guess no. Hey. We're gonna do this introduction again because the camera didn't record. And she's from Rockford, Illinois. She got it right this time. Because at first she was saying, where were you saying you were from? Anyway, no. Introduce yourself. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo tú estás?
Estoy bien, estoy bien. ¿De dónde eres?
De Venezuela, papá.
Venezuela. Qué chévere. Marta, ¿de dónde eres? América. Yeah, we discussed this already. It's a little tricky topic to talk about where we're from, whatever. But she is from ascendencia cubana. Okay, so she's like me, y'all. Growing up in the United States with Hispanic heritage, so we have crazy here. I can feel it already. Okay. I mean, okay. See you later. Hola. Hola.
Mira, chicas,
Vamos para Congo, va. Porque me da miedo meterme aquí. Oye, Dios mío.
de nosotros para Congo Bar hoy.
¿Esta noche?
Sí, ellas van también.
Ay, no vamos para Congo Bar.
Ajá, no.
Estoy emocionado. Ay, bueno. One Carlo.
Hey!
We are over here. Hey, Brita, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Brita.
Hey, we are over here at this food truck. What is this food truck place called?
Food Trucky.
El Food Trucko. That's where we are right now, and we're gonna try to sample everything. Say hey, Andy. So I don't know what I'm in the mood for. I know Randall over here is talking about he wants something cheesy, and I love me some queso. Entonces, we're gonna find some queso.
Yeah, Philly.
Hey.